Well, my cover crop, I've mowed it a couple of times. Mowed it again 2-3 days ago. It worked real well. This was the sorghum Sudan grass from Haas Tools. And I talked to Travis the other day, and he said it's time to plant a cool weather cover crop. It's 85 degrees today, or close to 90 degrees today, but that's just Texas. That's just East Texas. So anyway, what I'm going to do is come in here. I've already got my tiller on my tractor, and I'll show you how I've got it set up in just a second. But I'm going to tilt it up, and he's going to send me, well, I'm not sure what he's going to send me yet. I've got to kind of tell him, I'm letting him kind of pick what he thinks I need, because I'm not a big cover crop guy. So he knows a whole lot more about it than I do. So let me show you the tractor, the way I've got it set up. My tiller is not as wide as my tractor. I think my tiller is 50 inches, and between my tractor tires is right at 6 feet or so. So I've got it offset to the side here, where the tiller is pretty much covering up this tractor tire and leaving this one kind of bare. So anyway, as I till, what I'll do, and I'll set up the camera for a little while and let you watch. I'll till slowly, and then I'll come back through, and I'll try to split that tilling width until the next time, or a couple of times. I'll probably till a couple of times in the same place. Then I'll come back and I'll split the difference and start this end of the tiller right where in the middle of the track, and hopefully that'll get what I need to be done, and we'll get this tilled up and get my seed from Haas and plant a cover crop, a winter cool season cover crop, and get this on the road. All right, let's get it going. So this is one pass through. I'll probably do it again just before I plant the seed. And what I'm doing, with the cover crop, you're adding nitrogen to the soil if that particular cover crop fixes nitrogen in the soil. That's what one of the things it does. But you're also, I've come through here a couple of times and mowed this, and I used a mulching blade where I just really cut that grass, and it was 2 feet tall both times I mowed. Cut that grass into real fine pieces, and it's just going to build the soil. It also, a cover crop will also keep insects from overwintering in your soil. Main thing, because this is on a slope, and let me try to get you level. That is probably level, so it's a gradual slope to the left. I don't know what percentage, 3%, something like that. One thing I did years ago was to build up this edge right here. I just kind of bermed this up, so this side it's almost level, let's put it that way, but it's not quite. The lay of the land slopes down fairly dramatically. Where that camera tripod is would be the natural, or where that tub is, would be the natural slope of the top of this garden down to that. So anyway, I would say it's a 2-foot drop and a 60 feet-ish, something like that, whatever that works out to be. But we've got it done. We'll get the seed from Haas. If you've ever wanted to plant a cool season cover crop, or a cover crop, depends on what time of the year you're watching this video. You could be watching this in the summertime. You want to do a summer warm season cover crop. So, but Haas sells all those. They've got good recommendations. The descriptions in the on their website will tell you kind of what they do, whether or not they fix nitrogen, whether or not they're recommended for winter or cool season or warm season. Well, this Sudan grass, considering that I mowed it twice at about 2 feet tall, that's a really sparse root system. So and it came up real quick. I can't see any place where there was just big clumps and stuff like that. It all came up. You still see a lot of green out there, but it's just the grass laying on top of the surface. So anyway, I'll come in through here and till it one more time. If I don't like how smooth it is, because I've got some tractored ruts and stuff right in here, if I don't like how smooth it is, I'll probably take a cattle panel, drag it behind my four-wheeler and just run all over it and try to knock some of these tops off. And I may put some weight, put a couple of tires or something on it, and try to drag that to where it's a little bit more smooth. I could do it with a rake, but why do it by hand when you can do it with a machine? Anyway, this is I'll show you another video when I plant. This is a great time for a cool weather, cool season cover crop. Haas Tools has got everything you need. Just look below this video for my Haas Tools affiliate link, and that lets them know that I sent you, and also lets them know that I'm worthy of them keeping me on as a social influencer. So if I influenced you at all to do this, then let Haas know by using my link below. All right, man, that's it looks pretty. Just need to get some of the ruts out of it. I don't like ruts. I don't like imperfections. Won't be able to sleep tonight probably. All right, that's it. We're gone.